I'm Susan.
And I'm Winter.
And we are so excited for Christmas
time!
It is Christmas time, which means so much fun, but also gifts.
Gifts.
Let's just say it.
We want to give gifts?
We love to give gifts.
Oh, yeah.
And so we have a gift for you.
We do.
We are going to just give a drum roll here, like the little drummer boy. We
$50.
$50 giveaway. That's
$50
right.
giveaway.
$50 giveaway.
For Christmas.
$50 that can be used on anything, any items that we have in our store.
Yes. So amazing. We just wanted to give back because it's just so fun to.
It is just fun to give.
It's fun to give, you know?
Gifts are fun.
I know, right?
I know.
So how can we win, Susan?
And we really, really, really love to give thanks to our subscribers. We really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much
we love
for
you.
that.
Thank you.
And just to enter to win this, all you have to do is be subscribed and just leave a comment down below with what you're doing this year for Christmas.
Yes. Leave maybe a holiday tradition. You know, do you have a good recipe to share?
Do you have family coming?
Whatever you want to do.
And if you don't celebrate Christmas, that's okay. Drop what you're doing this year for the winter season.
Yes. We're so excited. Hope you have an awesome, amazing holiday, and we'll see you all New Year.
Bye.
Bye.